Subscribe to our channel and activate bell. We have always encountered a lot of strange information on social media, which many stop at, the most prominent of which is what is widely circulated on the water bear, or slow stepping, or tardigrade, where there is a lot of common information, and perhaps wrong ones, are circulated. And many are reposting. Scientists say that tardigrade is the most powerful being in mankind, and the only being that has survived 5 extinctions to which the creatures of our planet have been exposed during 500 million years, as it has strong teeth and sharp claws, and eats everything, even human flesh, and has 8 legs, but its gait is slow, and no, its size exceeds 1 millimeter. According to a video published by Sky News, this organism does not die, as scientists subjected it to many difficult and harsh experiments, such as a temperature of 450 degrees, and freezing at a temperature of 273 degrees below zero, and with all these experiments, the object came out alive. The report also includes that scientists subjected him to a pressure of 600 megapascals, which is 6 times higher than the greatest pressure in the ocean, and they sent 300 of them in 2007 to space without oxygen, so most of them returned, were exposed to incendiary rumors, and lived without water or oxygen. Water bear uses some techniques for protection, such as curling himself, and his body is very small, and it continues in this state for a period of up to 100 years. The secret is that this process reduces the rate of metabolism, then returns naturally. Scientists wondered, could this creature be coming from space, when they stood unable to understand it, as they found 900 species, and they live in water or wet areas, so its chemical composition may help humanity to install vaccines and sustain them, and develop capabilities to suit living in harsh conditions. Chris Mason, a geneticist and associate professor of physiology and biophysics at Weill Cornell University in New York, conducted a study on the genetic effects of spaceflight, and how humans can overcome these challenges as the human race can reach as far as it can in the solar system. According to the American Space website, there are some major health problems that astronauts face when traveling to space, including exposure to radiation. If scientists can discover a way to make human cells more resilient to the effects of radiation, astronauts may remain healthier for longer periods. In the space, the research team led by Mason proposed a new way to deal with the difficult problem of extraterrestrial life, including looking at how to combine the DNA of other species, such as a water bear, with human cells, to make them more resistant to the harmful effects of spaceflight. The characteristics of this animal are unique, as it is an extremely small and only organism that can endure life in light of the lack of water and air and the harsh heat conditions, whether very hot or cold, and it can also withstand radiation, and therefore if humans acquire these characteristics they may become more adapted to life outside Earth.